Oh my God, this is so pretty. All right, y'all, so the ring light is set up. I'm gonna show you kind of what I did. So here's the light. I thought it was gonna be the one with the actual ring light, but it's just the kind of like tiny LED bulbs. But I put the camera piece already hooked on and latched it on. And then this piece was kind of bent, so I kind of just like pushed it and it straightened out. So this is how it looks with no lights on in the room. The blinds are down, nothing else is on. And you can kind of see a shadow behind me, but I don't mind that. So this is how it looks with the ring light on and my room light, and I like it so much better than just having the ring light on by itself. It doesn't really give me that harsh shadow in the back. You can still see it, but it's not as bad, and it doesn't darken out my face right here. I'm going to put on the 4 orange filters and see how it looks with that. So this is how it looks with the orange filters on, and I kind of like it. It kind of dewies me down. I could see doing this like if it's super bright outside. Now I'm going to see how the white filters look. Here's how it looks with the white filters on. I actually love how this looks. I'm going to play around and see how it looks with the orange and the white and see if I like that better. So this is how it looks with 2 orange and 2 white, and I think that's my absolute favorite. This is the lowest setting that it can go with absolutely no lights on in my room. Well, hello. Woo! And this is the bright. Oh my goodness, this is the brightest that it can go. Turn it down a little bit. Woo! I like it like here. I love this light. I watched so many reviews on this light. I posted, you know, what's the best ring light to purchase in like Facebook groups, on my Instagram story and all of that. And the vote was unanimous to get this light. I absolutely love it. Some of the reviews scared me, I'm not gonna lie. Like they were like, oh, it's broken, or you know, something came and it was missing, or the stand was upside down. And you can see in my video when I'm assembling it that the stand comes upside down so that you can package it correctly, and then you just loosen it and then you pop it down and it works perfectly fine. I'm really excited about this shutter remote because I get to take this with me anywhere and take pictures anywhere, not just around my ring light. So I'm really happy to have this. Overall, I absolutely love this ring light. I would 10 times out of 10 recommend this. If you are looking for the exact same ring light that I purchased, it will be down below in my description box. I am so happy that I have this. Now I'm excited to create more content with the pop-in photos, the pop-in videos. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys next week. Bye. Let me tell y'all something.